¿Qué pasó, everybody? Welcome to another badass episode of MudbugMiniTrucks.com. Guys, today we're bringing you a really cool little truck, man. This is a 2019 Hi-Jet Deckvan. The name of the truck is Pepe Le Pew. Y'all familiar with that? Like I am from old school cartoons, that old skunk that floating around. Anyway, let's get it, dude. Today we're having our toy drive. So I'm not gonna take a real long video today. You're gonna notice most of the trucks out the background, and the reason that is because they're out front. We always put a nice show on for our neighbors. Anyway, let's get it. You can see the whole truck is sprayed a bed liner. This truck originally was silver, but we sprayed it with black bed liner. Just really nice, and I hope you can see the colors and things that are popping. I know it's black and white, guys, but it is gray outside. It's gloomy. Supposed to get some low teen weather tomorrow, so we're gonna freeze here. But as I was telling you a second ago, it's Pepe Le Pew. Now you look, if you back up, you see that stripe runs all the way down the front, down the top, and then down the back once we get to that. He don't know it yet, but he's gonna get Pepe Le Pew on the hood. I wanted to do something that was cool, and I thought this was actually pretty freaking awesome. Really clean, not overdone. I didn't put a background because I didn't want him to be upset about having too much color on the truck. He just wanted black and white, but really great looking. I got a set of these, I can't remember the wheels on here, but these are 14-inch rims. I can't remember the name of them. I have these on my website. You can check it out, MudbugMiniTrucks.com. That's a 14-inch rim, by the way, and I have multiple tires and rim combinations you can choose from. Also, you're going to see Pepe Le Pew just kind of floating around right here. You know, he got that little stench coming off his tail. Y'all familiar with this guy? Again, I'm 50, so I'm familiar with Pepe Le Pew. But yeah, just nice, clean, just real nice, clean, elegant. Not overdone, not too much color. Just great. Got that super lift too. You can see how tall it sits. Just a really great looking truck. Of course, as you can see right here, it's Texas made. I'm gonna back up so you can see that stripe again. On the tailgate, again, got Pepe Le Pew just kind of laying down here chilling. Again, no background colors. I just wanted it to be a subtle hint of Pepe Le Pew. Anyway, guys, I know what you're asking. The same thing you ask me every week. Mr. Mudbug, how can I get me one of your badass trucks? You just got to go right here, guys. You got to go to MudbugMiniTrucks.com. You can reach us at 832-951-5220, or you can call us at 866-MUDBUGS. And if you're passing by, and you don't know anything about this vehicle and you want to check out our inventory and stuff like that, check it out. Just use your Q scanner right there. Boom, pulls up the website, and again, you can see all the tires and rims and bumpers and everything else we do. And guys, I want to show you something too. Check it out, guys. Here's my snorkel kit. You can see back here, really nice. Brings the snorkel from underneath the truck, where it's just a terrible place to have it. But in Japan, it's all blacktop, so they don't have the dust issues we're going to have here. And these trucks are strictly off-road, so you're going to notice you're going to dust your air filters a lot more. And the lifeblood to this engine is keeping fresh air and fresh engine oil. You'll notice there's a black bar back here. We did this because the leaning rack that he's going to put his rifles on, let me back up here because I'm starting to fog up the picture, but you notice that bar right there, and then we're going to have a bar at the bottom. This one's loose. So after he installs his Copeland gun grabs across that bar, down on the bottom down there, he's going to take that bar and bolt it to the bottom near the stock, and it'll keep his guns from floating around. Again, guys, simple, clean, elegant, just simply beautiful. But let's see what's inside this bad boy. Ooh, we're going to go around, and I tell you, just absolutely stunning. I know he's going to love this because he's like, John, man, your upholstery is awesome, and I can't wait to see what you do with mine. He wanted to throw some alligator and some ostrich, but I said, no, that's too much. So what I did, I went back with python. Check it out, it's black python skin. And it has a different sheen depending on how you look at it, depending on how the sun hits it. And of course, I did the white stripe down the middle, the headrest. You see that? It's supposed to be that wave that comes off of his tail, that smell. That's what those white stripes are supposed to represent. And again, you'll see the white on the doors. And that python skin, just beautiful. It's got a fantastic texture, just gorgeous. Now he wanted the white in the middle, guys. I know I'm going to hear some flack about, man, it's going to get dirty, and it probably will. But this is what he wants. What you want, what you get. Now, I'm going to show you that front panel, which you're going to see right there. Check out that front panel. See the wave in it, and it goes right back here, connects right back to it, and then it curves down and sharpens out to the back of the door. Even the shift knob, the shift boot rather, right here, check it out. Even that has the python skin on it. Now, we left the original shift knob because he had one custom made of Pepe Le Pew he's going to use on that shifter. Also, you can notice over here too is Apple CarPlay radio. Now, this is a Sony Apple CarPlay, so it plays all his music. Also, he has a backup camera, and he also went with the surround sound system, which you'll see is up here. Bam, bam. And while I'm back there, I might as well go ahead and show you those two fans. We do this to help circulate the air. These Deckvans tend to get hot up in the roof area, and when we blow the air conditioner on, we mix it up with those fans. It's a nice little addition that you can add. And again, you can see it's a little 5-speed with the push button, but like all my trucks, AC heat, 4-wheel drive. Nothing less. And I put a little bandana up there for him, a little black and white striped bandana, just kind of a little something we threw in there, make it look cool. But again, too, you can check it out, all power windows. That's all the way around. Now, the new models that you're going to see, 2022s don't have windows in the back, guys. They are mounted solid. Oh, before I forget, check it out. I did something else. He don't know I've done it yet. I got to be honest, I don't know if they even work. See that button down there? That's heat warmers. I put heat warmers in a seat. This is a first for the for mini trucks. You know, for any mini truck. I don't know if any mini truck has got seat warmers. Even my car don't have them. And also, I forgot to mention, check it out. It's got the Pepe Le Pew embroidered in the headrest. Just really awesome. All right, I'm going to go ahead and back out of here. And again, I'm going to show you a few trucks we got around here. But right now, guys, you're only going to be looking at about, here you probably got 2, 4, 6, 8 trucks back here. Pickup trucks and dump trucks. And I got some jumbo cabs, minivan. I got jumbo cabs, the Hatsus, and I got Suzuki's. Now, like I said, currently I have about 10 trucks in the front yard that we're going to use for the car show. I mean, for the toy giveaway we're doing today. Anyway, I want to stay focused, guys. It is the 22nd, 23rd, something like that. So this will probably be the last video you guys are going to see from me this year, I believe. Maybe, I don't know. But if I don't see you next year, guys, happy holidays, Merry Christmas. God bless you and your family. And guys, if you have a moment, hit the subscribe button, because when the other videos come out, you're going to want to see those, because they really, really are cool trucks. Anyway, guys, I won't hold you any longer. Hey, thank y'all so much for viewing. Enjoy your holidays. May God bless you. And howdy from Texas, guys. Y'all take care. Stay warm out there.